Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Creative Beauty. My name is Angel, and today I'm going to do a get ready with me, a really quick one. I'm going to a business lunch meeting, so I just want to do a nice little beat right before I go. So for today, I'm going to be using one of my favorite products, which is Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I have two shades here. I have shade 9 and I have shade 7.75. Now 7.75 is almost a good match for me, but it's just a little pale. So I like to mix these two together so that I can have a pretty good blend here. So hey everyone, this is future editing me. I was looking back at this footage and I realized that I still look super pale. So I've been sick for like the past 2 weeks. I had a cold, nothing to do with the other C word, but I had a cold, and actually I just found out yesterday that I am super anemic, so I'm trying to get my iron levels up and everything. But looking back at this footage, I realized that I am extremely pale. So I just wanted to pop in and say that because you can see the dark circles under my eyes and everything. So all right, continue to watch the video and enjoy. I've already prepped my skin. I've washed and moisturized my skin. I used a vitamin C serum, and then I also used a lactic acid moisturizer, and then on top of that I put my sunscreen, and now I'm going to go in with the Tatcha primer. I'm using my sponge here to apply my foundation. I'm going to do 1 squirt of the 9 and 2 of the 7.75. There's a 7.8. I have not tried that yet. I'm going to go into Sephora and check that out and see if maybe that is a good match for me as well. So I'm just going to put that on my hand and let it sit for a second. I'm going to be looking down because I have my mirror right in front of me, and I want to make sure that I'm doing the right thing here. I'm going to put my concealer on first. I like doing that just because I think it blends better. I mean, it's personal preference really, but I think it blends a lot better when you put the concealer on first, and then I can go a bit heavier as well when I'm putting it on first, and then, you know, correct anything that I need to afterwards. Let me grab my contour here. Okay, here we go. All right, so for the contour that I'm using Dior Skin. This is not in my shade. This is a great contour shade for me though. This is 7N. I do use Dior Skin in my shade just for everyday foundation. Let me go ahead and Get this contour going. Okay, and I know this looks like pretty strange with all my stripes over here and everything, but trust me, it's gonna all work out in the end. And now I have Rare Beauty blush, and this is in, oh gosh, it's so little. Oh, this is in the color Joy, so Rare Beauty. This is a very pigmented blush, so if you use this under or on top of foundation, make sure that you use it sparingly and blend, blend, blend. Okay, so let me start by just sort of blending out my concealer here. Oh, did I say what concealer I was using? I'm using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Warm Beige. And I'm just doing a quick initial blend here. I'm gonna go over everything with my sponge when I start to apply the concealer. I'm just doing an initial blend here. Okay, I'm going to blend this out. Then next, I'm going to blend out my contour. And I do that with the edge here. And I'll blend that out here. Drag that down my neck just a little bit. I do not put foundation on my forehead. Sometimes I'll drag a little bit of concealer up between my brows for brightening, but that's about it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my foundation mix. First, I'm gonna start in the areas where I didn't put any concealer or any contour or blush. Now I'm starting to cover my contour so that everything looks as seamless as possible. And the last thing that I will go over is my blush. I really love this color for this, but you know, you can use any color that flatters your skin tone and just gives you that blush from within look and not I'm wearing tons of blush look. Since this is a lunch meeting, I don't want to go too overboard. I mean, nothing is wrong with ODing on blush because I am known to do so. It's just today I don't want to do that. Okay, let me just check and make sure. And you see how this is coming together very quickly. Okay, so now I am going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm using Bajan Girl. It's one of my favorite bronzers at the moment. I think it's perfect for that subtle look. Okay. And I make sure that as I'm doing this, I'm dragging everything upward because you want to give yourself a little lift at the same time. I'm looking for my eyebrow products. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I am using, this is the Benefit Brow product. So I'm doing a really quick brow today. So this is just going to pretty much shape them and keep them up. I'm using color number 2 just because I want a very light brow, nothing too heavy. I've been keeping my brows very natural, very thick. I like that look for right now. And it seems like when I go to get them threaded, they always make my eyebrows so skinny. Okay, and just so that I can give myself more of an arch, I'm going to use this Precisely My Brow pencil. This is also in number 2. I always have to get this going though because it seems to dry out and break very easily. So I think it's best to sort of try to warm this up on your skin beforehand. Again, I know this like messy brow is not for everyone, so you can do your brow however you want to, but it's just quick and easy and natural, and I've just been loving that quick, easy, and natural look. You know, anything that you can do that is easy, natural, get you on your way, I'm definitely for it. I'm using the NYX liner. Oh, this is in the color Beyond Nude. So I'm gonna line my lips here. And I'm putting the liner all over my lips and just overlining just slightly, not too much. And over top of that, I'm going to go in with Anastasia. This is Anastasia Gloss in the color Parfait. All right, as promised, quick and easy. And I'm going to finish this off with the Tatcha Satin Skin Mist. All right, I hope you enjoyed this very quick 15-minute get ready with me. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I do lifestyle, hair, skin, beauty, and all things magnificent. So have a great one.